Facebook is a social media platform that allows users to connect and share content with friends, family, and other users around the world. The platform has many features, including a user profile, newsfeed, messaging, groups, pages, events, and a marketplace. When a user creates a Facebook account, they create a personal profile that includes basic information such as their name, profile picture, and bio. They can then add friends and join or create groups, pages, and events. The newsfeed is where users can see posts and updates from friends and pages they follow. They can react to and comment on these posts, as well as share their own text, photos, videos, and links. Facebook also offers messaging, both in individual and group chats. This allows users to privately communicate with their friends and share content with each other. Pages and groups allow users to create and join communities of people with similar interests. Pages are typically created by businesses or organizations and can be used to promote their products and services. Groups can be created by anyone and can be focused on anything from hobbies to support groups. Finally, the marketplace allows users to buy and sell items with other users in their local area.